rainy day.
Eddie, Oscar, let's go out and play.
But it's pouring. Oscar's right, Lynn. It's raining really hard.
And
I prefer to keep my hair dry.
Who wants to keep their hair dry?
if you want to stay dry, just grab an umbrella.
Oh, right. And we can put on other stuff too. We can put on rain boots and raincoats.
Who is going to put on a raincoat?
I'm going to wear my umbrella hat. I don't want my hair to get messed up. Should I put on my goggles?
Okay, boys, are you ready now?
Is Lynn ready to go outside?
Let's make sure we have everything. Umbrellas, rain boots, raincoats, rain hats. We have them all. We're finally ready. We'll definitely stay dry now.
Is Oscar ready to go outside?
Great! Let's go play.
Maybe we should take this stuff off first.
Is it still raining?